Official Governor Gavin Newsom has signed a bill into law that will extend COVID paid sick leave for workers. It will also expand COVID relief for small businesses. CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol breaks down what it means for workers and the concerns being raised by some business owners.
Moments ago, Governor Newsom put his signature on a new bill that would create paid sick leave for workers here in California. He says this is a huge part for economic relief as well as support for small businesses throughout our state.
This is what it looks like when everybody works together and rows in the same directions, working to address anxieties and concerns and compromise and find a balance that I think strikes chord with the vast majority of Californians.
Well, he was speaking about the $6.1 billion COVID relief budget that will help make this happen. Now, he broke it down, $500 million in tax credits for restaurant and venues, as well as another $150 million in grants for small businesses. Now, this bill also provides $100,000 to the state labor commissioner to implement and enforce the new sick leave rules, but employers are largely responsible for bearing the burden of the cost. Now, a couple of details on what this supplemental sick pay looks like. It applies to businesses with 26 or more workers and is retroactive to January 1st, providing up to 2 additional weeks equaling 40 hours of paid time off if an employee is sick with COVID or if they have to take care of a family member who contracts the disease. It also implies if you were exposed, need to attend a vaccination appointment, recover from immunization, or take care of a child who cannot attend school because of the virus-related closures or quarantines. Now, part-time workers would also be eligible for sick leave equal to the number of hours they typically work in a week. Now, this time around, there is no federal money to help offset the cost. So critics of this legislation, like Republican Assembly member Vince Fong, said that its passage will have unintended consequences, saying, quote, requiring small businesses and nonprofits to pay up to 2 weeks of sick pay leave on top of existing paying leave is a financial burden that could bankrupt a local store, a local restaurant, or a nonprofit. Now, the legislators that we heard speak today seemed very optimistic and happy that this bill and budget will be enough to ensure those small businesses stay afloat past the pandemic and also keep those workers safe so they don't have to come if they do have COVID. In San Diego, I'm Dana Marie McNichol for CBS 8.